my aha moment is when you said that the book is your point of view. Your book is your point of view. So somehow, this took off the uncertainties, the hesitation from me, because I am free to express my own point of view. And I am entitled to that. And I just realized that as I will go along in this journey, my hashtag has been and will always be hashtag give, share, do good. So yeah, for as long as I'm giving and I'm sharing and I do good, I think everything will be well. I'm so happy and thankful that I am part of his buena mano, diba? In Manila. I know that we will always have a special place in the heart of your company and your heart, Dr. K. I'm joyful. I know I'll be joyful every day with that 2 hours that I will devote writing the book. And also, my hashtag is, there's always something new to learn. So, thank you for this learning.